Hey, good morning everyone. This is Tammy Duncan with Kids Are First Fundraising, and we are here at our very first Chairperson workshop of 2019. So I want to give you a little sneak of what's happening, and I have to be a little quiet because we have about almost 60 representatives from their schools here learning about our fundraisers. So I'm going to give you a little sneak of what we've got out in the warehouse, and then I'll take a peek at our workshop. So let me turn the camera around, or not. Where's the secret button? All right, we don't have it. We don't have the secret button that turns my camera around. So let me show you here. Here you walk out and we've got some of our really cool, this is part of our Team Up for World Kindness theme. So each school is going to get sets of posters to put around. You see we've got kindness starts with B. It's cool to be kind. Go. We've got kindness is my superpower. Team Up for World Kindness. A post on the back of our classroom poster, we have one side for classroom incentives and the other side is our kindness pledge. And then we have, I'm a kindness hero, be a kindness kid. And so you'll be getting all of those. So every teacher will get that classroom poster that has the kindness pledge on one side and the classroom participation prizes on the other side. And then the other posters are these set of banner posters. You'll get 2 sets for your school to put around to promote the Team Up for World Kindness theme. And there went Cammie right behind me, see? All right, and then moving along, our next little section here, this is our Holly Jolly workshop. It looks like it's probably backwards, but our Holly Jolly holiday shop, this is one of the banners. Also look, this is our little elf apron and hat, and we put our little dog's face in there. That's Ari, our dog. We have a good sense of humor around here. And so the moms or dads that are running the shop get one of those to wear to just be festive and fun. But this is all the goodies for the holiday shop. Lots of good things. We have some of our prizes from our Kids Are First prize program around here. I'm gonna flip around right here to show you some of the things that we have for our chocolate bar program. We've got, these are like dollar chocolates. So if you have a school or a small group or a band or choir or sports team, we have the dollar items that they can sell in carry-on cases. So we have the pretzel rods, yummy, sell for $1. We have fortune cookies, chocolate dip fortune cookies in all different kinds of little configurations. And each has a message of kindness on the inside, so that's super cool. And then we have a selection of different dollar chocolate bars. So that's all available as well. Moving along, we also have our spirit wear. So we have available t-shirts, magnets, and so you can request information on that. Apparel kits that have the t-shirts and water bottle and little backpack swing bag. So those things are all available. Moving over here, there is our banner, looks backwards, and some of the product that's in our Kids Are First fundraiser program. And then some of our early sign-up bonuses, super fun. We have an early sign-up bonus where you might be able to get a popcorn machine for your school, playground balls, things like that. There's different choices that you have. Also our classroom incentive program. So we have, and you can see on the poster here, so whenever a child participates in the sale, they've sold one item, then they can put their name in the little POW things right here, and possibly earn some things for their classroom. So if a class gets 50% classroom participation, then that class is going to get one of these super cool 12-foot rainbow parachute fun games. You guys remember those when you were little? I love that so much. This is my idea to put it in. So that's one thing. If a class gets 75% classroom participation, instead of getting the rainbow thing, then they can get a tabletop popcorn maker for their classroom. And then if a class gets 90% classroom participation, instead of these things, then they get one of these giant Connect 4 games. So that's all really super cool. Another thing, oh, Jim's coming out here. Let's get a little, Jim is, oh, are you in there, Jim? There you are. Hey, what is your area? So what is the area that you work with where schools would be working with you?
Brea, Fullerton, La Habra, Lakewood, Downey, Bellflower, Long Beach, Lakewood, Palos Verdes, San Pedro, a little bit of LA.
How long have you been with us? It's gonna age us all.
18 to 20 years maybe?
Yeah, a really freaking long time.
Yeah.
But he's awesome and does awesome job for the school. So if you're in any of those areas, he's your guy. This is too big to get in the picture really, but this is our Kid Power-thon little booth. And we are gonna be really launching out some amazing stuff for our Kid Power-thon, which is our thon program, where you could do a color run, a bubble run, a glow run, and we even have something that we're working on that's even kicked up a notch from that I can't talk about yet. It's a big secret. All right, and then this is our banner for our Kid Power-thon. Here we go, checking that out. Here is all these snacks that everybody was gonna eat, and now I'm gonna just take a peek. And I'm gonna have to be really quiet. We're gonna peek at the workshop and get a little something there. Is anybody, you wanna tell Facebook land or YouTube land? No, you're good, okay. All right, so here we go. Oh, if you wanna take a selfie. Okay, see there's the selfie. There we go. All right, I'll be back in a sec, Jim. Okay, so I'm gonna just take a quick peek.
I'll be in the office. I'll be in there.
Okay. This is Debbie. She is a rock star, customer service, everything. We're just gonna take a quick peek.
Right here, this is the new one, so it has a superhero team on the back. So you can have two of these little guys. So his name is Thunderline. We were calling him Lion Thor, but
Okay, that's it. So that is some of the good stuff we got going on. You can see all the amazing people in there learning about our fundraiser, getting all signed up, getting set up actually to have a really super successful fall fundraiser and Holly Jolly workshop. So anyways, thanks for taking the tour with me. Have a good day. Mwah! Blessings to you and your families.